Okay, now we can talk about gallery. And gallery doesn't have a widget to go along with it, unfortunately. But let me just pull up the gallery there. And gallery is just it's like a slideshow module. So we can place multiple albums into here. And if you want to learn more about creating albums, you can watch my slideshow video here. But I'll just tell you, over in My Explorer Modern, again, I have a My Explorer video to watch. But over in galleries, you'll see I've already created a training gallery here, and it's already populated with some images. So what Galleries does is I can use select albums, and it's actually going to be under test user. So let's go ahead and check off that training gallery and save. And you have to refresh the page, and here's that training gallery. Now I wouldn't recommend using manage albums. It's the same thing as creating a new gallery and whatnot, but it's not as reliable as opening up My Explorer Modern. So now we have this training gallery here that's being listed in galleries, and it just shows the video or shows the images to the user in a gallery. And they can also download the album. This is essentially what the gallery does. You don't have to use it, but if you want to kind of display some class events that you've had and that you've taken some photos at, you can do that as well.